Hello everyone, here is your Pinay German lifestyle blogger here in Germany. You are probably watching this video because you are looking for a new scent. And in this video, I'm going to do another unboxing and a short history about the perfume, which is originally owned by a German named Michael Kromer from Munich. And there she is, guys. This little cutie, MCM, or Modern Creation Munich, was owned by a German, and it was sold 2005 to a Korean queen of bag, Sung Ju Kim. So the box is packed all over with their MCM logo. It also have their golden MCM here at the middle. And I got mine in 1.7 full ounce or 50 ml. And it's made in France. Let's start opening this cutie. I am so excited because I have my other perfume. Actually, I still have unopened, and this one is really new, so that's why I'm so excited to share this with you guys. No exchange, no return. So this is in a color cognac color, and oh, it's really nice. The packaging, the feel, you can compare this also to the Louis Vuitton box, how it feels. You can feel the MCM logo there. Yes. And so let me put this little garbage there. And yo, so let me open it. So ta-da! There it is. There she is. This MCM. So, yes. I'm so excited. Oh gosh. So this is how it back. Actually, I got this because of this bottle. The bottle is so cute that I can't resist. Because, you know, guys, I love bags. And this one is like a little bag. Oh, gosh. Look at that. So it feels like leather, but I know it isn't. And it has also this handle. Look. Oh, yeah. And it reminds me of a small backpack or backpack. And oh, we will try this later, guys. I am really excited. Oh, how cute is that? A bag and a perfume in one. Cute with their little handle here. Yeah. And oh, it seems like it is leather, but I know it isn't. The covering here, I mean. Logo there. So you can feel it like the real bag. And then we will try the scent, how it smells. It's a holiday. I'm traveling from here to somewhere. It smells flowery, fruity, a bit of wood. And I don't know because they said the longevity of the scents don't take long. I cannot say it now. Oh, real nice, guys. Not only the package that you can see now, but the scent of this perfume. So thank you for watching, guys. And if you have your experience about the scent and what's your opinion, how do you like the bottle, then leave your comment down below. Thank you very much for watching.